Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to look fab from DRAB in just 5 minutes. So if you're interested in knowing about this makeup look and how I achieved quickly, then continue watching. Firstly, I'm starting with the moisturizer and applying it on my face and neck. Then using this lip balm to moisturize my lips. Moving on, using this foundation and applying it on my face and neck. So I'll be blending this foundation with my fingers itself. You can use a beauty blender or brush if you prefer. And I've applied thin layer just to make my skin look even and not too cakey. Once I'm done blending my foundation neatly, I'm moving on with this concealer and concealing my dark spots and blemishes and then making sure everything is blended nicely. Then to set my base, using this compact from ELENOR and making sure my base is all set, and I'm going to be applying this compact on my neck as well. To fill in my eyebrows, using this Beauty Big Bang eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with that. It also comes with this pulley, so it's very handy. So once I'm done filling my eyebrows, I'm using this face palette from Makeup Revolution and using all the three shades, that's bronzer, blush and highlighter. First I'm going to be bronzing up my face with the bronzer, and I'll just bronze up my cheekbones and jawline. So by doing this step, it makes our features look more defined and looks natural as well, nothing too crazy. So I just like to bronze up my cheekbones and jawline. Then using the blush for my cheeks and then highlighter to highlight my highest points. So I'll be highlighting my inner corners and brow bone as well. So right now it may be looking white, but once I use setting spray, it just blends into my skin and looks neat. Then for my eyes, using this Wet n Wild mascara, first I'll be curling my lashes and I'll apply this mascara on my upper and bottom lashes. If you want, you can use kajal or eyeliner, but this is my kind of style. I just love doing these steps and look fab and awake. So I'm showing you guys my steps. If you want, you can add whatever you want to. Then for lips, using this Wet n Wild CATSUIT lipstick in berry shade and applying it on my lips. And to set my base, using this Kiss Beauty setting spray and spritzing it all over my face. So yeah, with that we finished this makeup look. I'm going to be adding hoops as well. So here is the final result. I really hope this video was helpful. You can see how just a few steps can make you look fab and look presentable as well. And all the product details will be in the description box. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Before ending this video, don't forget to download this Meesho app for free because you have great opportunity to earn from home, and this is how the India's #1 reselling app looks like. You just have to select any category you prefer and then start reselling it to your friends or family, and then you can start earning at home. Please don't miss this great opportunity.